Hey guys, so I've got my new China Amazon tail lights here, both brand new, and also I've got some LED bulbs to put in them. However, no one in Ipswich, or from what I can gather, southeast Queensland, had CAN bus compatible indicator lights with the resistors, because if you don't get the ones with the resistors, they'll hyper flash. But they're super easy to take out, so I'll show you how to take them in and out, and I'll show you how to fit the new globes. Now, tools you'll need for this is I got this screwdriver set from Costco for, I think it was $19.99, and you'll need your T60 Torx bit punch. So that goes into these bits here. So there we go. It's really hard to film and do this, so that just screws these out. As you can see, the tail light is starting to already get wobbly. But before we do that, we're going to change all these globes except for the indicator light. So stop tail, rear fog light, and reversing light. So let's go and get these out. Just need to twist them and they pop out. Same thing here. Just twist it, twist it. Okay, cool. There they all are. Now, this one is a T-series wedge, and these ones are twist in. Okay, so just easy to swap all them over, and then basically popping them back in is the exact reverse. Just stick them in and give them a twist, like that. Sometimes if they do that, you've got to spin them around 90 degrees. It's really hard to do one-handed. Now this bit, just literally get in there. You can use a screwdriver, spin something around. Okay, goes a bit loose, boom. And if you're replacing your bulbs, but these ones are still good, keep them. They might come in useful in the future. So let's get him off. Okay, he's gone loose. And then a bit of a pull, and she pops out, and there you go. There's the old tail light out. Oh, like that. Mine's broken, so I really don't care. Now, quick tip with these plugs, you gotta push the little tab in. I've literally not prepared anything for this, so this is probably going to be stiff as hell because it's full of dirt. Come on, you bastard. There we go. Got him in. Okay, if in doubt, grab yourself a little flathead and then get him in there and give him a push. You can see it move. Come on. You literally came out before. There we go. Pop him out. A bit violent. So yeah, and then that is also stuck on with a little tab, so you've got to get in and wiggle him off, and he is absolutely painful. So you just pretty much grab your plastic thing there and pop him in. So I literally can't do this with one hand, so I will just, one moment. Okay, now he's clipped in, I can balance this on my leg, grab me loom, and boom, pop him in there. And then you can just bring him up. Really hard to do this one. There we go. And clip him in. And there he is. And it's pretty much literally from here, just the reverse. Of course I did. And there is the new one. And there is the old one, all banged up and smashed. So let's give this a test. Yep, bang. So you can see that they are significantly brighter than the other side, which is really, really dim. So that is those, and I don't know if I can push the brake pedal, but as you can see, stop, tail, and rear fog. Okay, I mean, it's daytime and I'm using my screwdriver rack as my stand for the camera. Let's give this a try at a different angle. Just turn the lights off. the other side doesn't really look like there's anything wrong with it, except for this little hole just here. Problem is that when it rains, I fill up with tail light fluid, so I need to fix him. Could probably keep this one around for a spare now that she's dry, and just keep her in the shed. So yeah. Okay, so I got the new ones in. Boom, boom. What I'm probably going to do with these old ones is cover it with some tape, you know, bog, sand it up, paint them completely matte black, and get the shape, 3D scan them, and make printable ones, so you can put Nava or printable fascias, because then you could grind that off with a Dremel, and like as you can see, this front is just, you know, stuck there. Break it off, snap it off with a screwdriver, probably bake them in the oven for prettiness, and replace them with Nava lights. You can probably get 4 pretty Nava lights in the back looking much nicer. You can even get adapters to screw in, and then it gives you a pigtail loom. So so these are BA15Ds, BA15S, and these are well, I put T10s in there, and other people put T15s and T16s in. T10, 15, 16 globes for the reverse light, and these are BA15s but ambers, because they're a non-tinted lens, and they have to be the parallel. So as you'll it's that one, it is a parallel. So looking from the top here, I will put a thing on screen in editing. You need the parallel plugs, not the offset. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps you change the lights on the back of your T60.